This brand is made in America by GE Appliances Air and Water Solutions, which is majority owned by the Chinese company Haier. All of the units feature louvered panel construction, which is the best way to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage due to objects thrown by a lawnmower or from hail damage. They have a durable baked polyester paint to keep the outdoor unit looking good for many years. These heat pumps use all aluminum coils which resist corrosion and feature enhanced coil design with lanced fins for maximum heat transfer. All of the units feature demand defrost, which saves energy by only going into the defrost mode when there is sufficient ice buildup on the coil. The NS17H models are basic units with a 9.5 HSPF heating efficiency and a swept wing condenser fan blade, but they are still relatively loud in operation. They offer an optional sound control blanket for the compressor to lower the sound level from about 74 dB to 72 dB. The NS18HM and NS22H heat pumps units are ultimate units with a heating efficiency of 10 HSPF. They have a standard compressor blanket to lower their noise level and feature a proprietary algorithmic control program that uses ambient temperature, coil temperature, and refrigerant pressure sensors, which enables fine control of the system to maximize comfort. They have variable speed condenser fans and compressors for very quiet and efficient operation. The warranty on the brand is only about average and does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure, which is what you would expect from an ultimate unit. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy premium category. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.